I'm Josh Green. I publish Wine and Spirits magazine. Wine and Spirits is a special interest magazine about wine. We basically have a readership that's 50% trade and 50% consumer. We print 90,000 copies, so we reach, depending on the pass-through, up to like 200,000 people. And we try to make it look like a magazine that is produced by a much bigger company than we are. A lot of the trick of making this business work is to have a network of really top-level people around the world. And even our critical staff is based around the country. So we're not all in one place, which makes management a bit of a nightmare.
We have 2 offices in the United States, New York City and San Francisco. Total employee number around 12 to 13. However, we have key associates who are located throughout the globe. And we also have a group of freelance associates who are spread out throughout the globe also. If we are editing a single file, for example, a Word file, what happens is a constant back and forth of the email. And so one person receives the initial email, does his or her edits, and then renames the file, and then sends it back. The person who receives the file does his or her edits, then renames the file again. So it's a back and forth process that becomes somewhat cumbersome. And there has been cases where no one knows which file is actually the up-to-date file. That could pose really bad circumstances if the incorrect file is actually used and put into the magazine. Once it is set for press at the printer, there can no longer be any more changes. It has to run.
And that's one of the reasons that a lot of the tools that we can use now with cloud computing make a huge difference to us. It's made huge efficiencies for our business.
With Office 365, associates who don't even have an Office program can still go to the web and edit the document, and those edits will be saved, and then that file will be the up-to-date file. So it's instead of using 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 different files, the one file will be the up-to-date file. Collaborating online, accessing documents online, using the email program will really make this organization run much more efficiently. Office 365, I'll drink to that.